Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on your out-of-office reply in Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on your out-of-office reply in Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your clients can be a little finicky, and if you don't get a reply right away, they can be upset. So if you're going to be out of the office or away, you can set up an auto reply. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up your out of office reply, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. To do that, you're going to see this menu on to the left, and you want to click on account. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here, and you want to click on automatic replies. Okay, so here is how you can set up your out of office reply. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn it on. After you turn it on, go ahead and type in the reply. I do not want to talk to anyone. Okay, so now this is actually really important. So anytime you turn on your out of office reply and then you click on save, anybody who messages you is going to receive this. However, if you only want to reply during business hours or during a certain time period, you can check this box and you can go ahead and adjust the time. So let's say from today until tomorrow at 8 p.m., or you can change that maybe, let's say to 5 p.m. Okay, so now my out of office reply is only going to go out during this time period. Also, you can go ahead and check these boxes if you are using your calendar. You can block off your calendar for that time period. You can also decline any kind of new invitations, and then also you can cancel any invitations that you have during that time. And lastly, you do have the option to send the out of office reply only to your contacts instead of just random people or random spam emails. So once you've designed all of that out of office reply, go ahead and click on save. Okay, now you're going to see this automatic replies are currently turned on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on your out of office reply in Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.